Trip with Lucy, lighting up that ooey. We all dancing in the hoopty. Then I get ghosted. They say I'm ghosted. I've been gone for 2 weeks. Took a trip with Lucy, lighting up that ooey. Then I get ghosted. Sometimes I just feel like I need to smoke. Then hop up on the mic and write me these flows. They asking me questions like why you been ghost. I question myself cause I don't even know. I'm floating through the void and searching my soul, trying to get this shit up off of my chest and finally put these demons in a coffin. Often I've been having thoughts of off of myself, but least I have myself, least I have my health. Maybe I'm just tripping out. But it seems like once you're dead and gone, that's when they tend to listen up. Oh well, up in the hotel, maybe I'm just better off myself. Take bags of weed or wine to my mind while